Hi, welcome back. I couldn't be more excited to show you what the team has been building. So I'm going to jump right in. We are starting on the landing page here, where it just welcomes you to the portal. You can see a few of the most popular courses outlined on the right, and a placeholder in the center there that will eventually be filled with about the lily pad and about the team, things like this. So the first thing we're going to do is sign in. When we do this, it asks that we sign a transaction. So there's no fee, no value being passed. The reason we do this is we have you sign the transaction so that our backend is able to validate data being submitted to some of our externally facing functions, just in order to keep our front and back end data cohesive. We're going to scroll down and we can see right away we'll have community spotlights. So these are projects that are built by members of the community, and you'll be able to view and link and interact with them quite easily right from our front page. Further down, we can see that there are the top courses that we offer, the most popular courses just laid out and available there. I'm going to go ahead and add a few of these to my roadmap, and I'll explain the roadmap a little later on. From here, I'll navigate to one of the course detail pages. Here we are. So you can see the difficulty levels as well as the technologies and the tags associated with the course listed at the top there. And as we scroll down, we can see remove from personal roadmap, mark is complete, and take final test will ultimately be combined into one function. But for the purposes of this demo, we're going to fudge it a little bit and cheat. You can also see related courses, related resources, and then again, a big focus of our portal is going to be spotlighting community content. So at the bottom here, we can see another community project showcased. From here, we'll take a look at our profile. It's pretty barren to start. Uh, we need to generate a record of your member, and in order to do that, you need to create a profile. You can see the placeholder for the token there. So we'll create a profile, we'll enter a username, small biography, and then we can choose some tech skills that we want to add to our stack, things that we either want to learn or things we already know. I will say that the MetaMask pop-ups were not captured by the capture software. So if there's a pause here like now, they're confirming the transaction on MetaMask. So here it takes a small amount of gas to record your member on chain, and this is what really allows you to track your progress in a way that's meaningful and linked to the soulbound token that's offered to you. So here's your profile that's been created. Still got the placeholder though because we haven't yet minted our first soulbound token, which we will do shortly. Scrolling down, you can see that the profile outlines events that you're registered to, projects that you're working on or have submitted, and then here's that personal roadmap that I mentioned earlier. Here you can see that we've added these 3 courses to the beginner section of our personal roadmap, and this just allows us to track progress on topics and courses that we may want to focus on as a self-learner. So from here, we'll mint the SBT, and it pops a modal. This explains what the soulbound token is, what its purpose is, and where the fee is going for minting this. And to kind of summarize, soulbound tokens are NFTs or non-fungible tokens that cannot be traded. They can only be burned. So they're very representative of your path as a developer when you're learning through our portal. The mint fee primarily is going to be going towards a treasury, which you can see outlined at the top of our page. The vast majority of this mint fee will be used to fund developer proposed projects in order to, invest in the community and assist with people getting their initial projects up, running, and live. So we mint the SBT, confirm the transaction in MetaMask, which again isn't visible in this. And ta-da, you can see that the soulbound token has become alive, so to speak. The color is activated into that placeholder image, and you can see that you now own that token. From here, we're going to show how the token changes as you progress. So we'll navigate back to one of these course pages, and we're just going to mark it as complete. So regularly, this course would take you months to complete. We'll have tests and methods to authenticate your completion in place, but for now we're going to mark it as complete. And after a quick refresh in the top right, we will see that our level and experience has updated accordingly. Navigating back to the profile, ta-da, we can see that the soulbound token has evolved to level 2, reflecting that your profile has progressed. Additionally, we expect that there will be accolades and badges specifically related to the courses and events in which you're participating, and these will be reflected as metadata on your token as well to have a clearly outlined transcript of your path to get you to where you are. And that is what we have to show so far. Thank you again for joining us at the Lily Pad, and I appreciate you taking the time to take a look at some of the features that we'll be implementing in the web portal when we go live very soon. Any feedback or input that can be offered, greatly appreciated. Please put it in the comments. Please send me a DM on Discord, Twitter, YouTube, anything. We need as much feedback as we can to make this the best experience that we can for everyone in the community. Thanks again, everyone, and keep learning. Bye.